Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is for all the paneer lovers. We're going to make this special one-pot Paneer Biryani. It's got great flavors and it's super easy to make, so let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken 400 grams of paneer pieces. So I'm just going to marinate the paneer with some spice powders, adding quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Now, the chaat masala is optional. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. Gently mix all the pieces with the spice powders. Once all the pieces are coated, let this sit till we cook the vegetables. To the kadai, I am adding 1.5 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, I am adding the whole spices, cinnamon, clove, cardamom and bay leaf. Once the spices have released the nice aroma, next I am adding 3 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Now we need to brown the onions. So once the onions have come to this stage, add 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. Next I am adding 3 large green chilies, slit. So mix the ginger garlic paste in. Next I am adding 1 large tomato, finely chopped. So now I am going to add all the vegetables one after the other, starting with 1 cup of chopped beans, 1 cup of chopped carrots, 1 cup of fresh peas, 1 small capsicum chopped. Mix all the vegetables. So adding all these vegetables will make this biryani a lot more interesting. Will give it a nice color and flavor. Next I am going to add all the spice powders one after the other, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1.5 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Now mix everything well. Maintain the flame on a medium. Mix the spices along with the vegetables. Make sure it's all well combined. Close the kadai and cook the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. You can see the vegetables have absorbed all that beautiful masala. At this point, I'm going to add the marinated paneer pieces. You can see the paneer pieces are marinated beautifully. Gently mix the paneer along with the vegetables. So marinating these pieces with that masala will make the paneer pieces juicy and it will taste really good. Wow, it looks gorgeous. Just look at that. So next I'm adding a nice handful of fresh mint leaves and a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Just gently mix that in. Now this is a very simple paneer biryani that you can make anytime. It's very wholesome with all the vegetables and paneer. Flavors are just incredible. Now I'm maintaining the flame on a low. I'm adding 2 cups of water for 1 cup of basmati rice. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. So before adding the rice, you can check for seasoning and add a little salt if needed. So now I'm adding 1 250 ml cup of basmati rice that's been washed nice and clean and it's soaked for 30 minutes. Gently mix the rice along with the veggies and the paneer. Close the kadai and cook on low flame for about 20 minutes. Turn off the stove after 20 minutes and leave it in dum for about 15 minutes. This paneer biryani deserves a heart. So hit the like button and comment paneer below. Wow, just look at that beautiful paneer biryani. It's cooked to perfection. You can enjoy it with some nice simple onion raita by the side or with any gravy of your choice. It's a very simple and easy to make paneer biryani. Finally, I'm garnishing with a few chopped fresh coriander leaves. It's time to enjoy this delicious paneer biryani. Who can resist this paneer biryani? Well, it's time to taste and enjoy. Wow, it's got beautiful flavors, and of course with that soft paneer and all those beautiful vegetables. Excellent. A simple biryani that everybody can enjoy. The paneer biryani has great flavors, so the best way to enjoy it is with some nice simple onion raita by the side, but you can also enjoy it with any curry of your choice. Do give it a try, enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.